Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my super quick and easy brow routine that only requires 2 products. So if you guys want to see my current brow routine, then keep watching. So for my current brow I've been liking is the Kevin Aquan one in natural looking and easy, and I only use 2 products, which I think is a total plus because that way, like I said, it's nice and quick and easy. So the first product I always go in with is a brow pencil. You can obviously use whatever brow pencil you want or like. This I like because it obviously has the spoolie on the end, and then this part right here just winds up so you can get your product. So I always obviously like to start by brushing out my hairs. So the front ones I kind of do up, and then where it starts to get thin I go to the side, and then on my very said like arch I go down. So then that's when I start kind of like filling them, and a lot of times when I fill them, I'm not gonna lie, I sit like this, like I have my arms on my vanity, but for this video I'm gonna try not to do that because the mirror is gonna cover my face and stuff. So normally when I would fill in my brows, I would do like super carved out and, you know, like the line and all that stuff. I don't have time for that anymore. So I've been liking to just go in and kind of start at the front and just do little hair-like strokes very lightly too. I don't like to go heavy-handed or anything, because if you go in light you can always go a little darker later if there's anywhere you messed up or anything. So then once I want to start like going with the arch that, you know, is very sad on my eyebrow, I again just do those like little hair like strokes. I also like to have the mirror pretty close up to my face just so I can see what I'm doing, because if it's far away you can't really see. So I just like to go in and do those little hair-like strokes. And then when I want to do the top, I just kind of brush down the hairs. I don't know why. And then again, just kind of do those very light hair-like strokes. And then I brush the brow kind of back into place, and I'll just kind of fill in what I feel is sparse. So I do have a lot of like new growth of hair. I will show you guys how I fix that in a second. So I kind of just now brush my brow out, really brush it out in the front because I don't like that area to be too dark. I really like the more dark part to be on like the arch and the tail, if that makes sense. I don't like the front to be too dark. So then I just do the same thing to the other brow. This brow, however, has a bald spot right here. So I, again, just like to do the front hair-like strokes. And then when I get to this bald spot, there's a point right here that I kind of just stay with, because that way I know that's like where the arch is and like where it would have connected if there were hair there. I don't really know why I have bald spots in my eyebrows, but apparently it's a common thing because I was watching Samantha Ravindell's video and she was talking about having a bald spot in her brow. So yeah, so now I just move up to the top. And one thing I really like to do, especially when I do the arch, is I like to lay my pinky on my face and kind of just go like that and trace the hair. And then I'll go in with the thumb. I go in with the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. Use my thumb to shape the brow. Because again, I just don't have time to go in with concealer and stuff. And I just feel like when you do this, it just looks more natural. So now I'm just brushing everything out. So next, to really just like lock my brows in place, so this is my favorite brow product of all time. I'm in the shade Dark Brown. I also just like to go with like darker brows. I don't know why, I just think it looks better because my brow hairs are dark. They're pretty much black, so that's just why. So I just like to pretty much just pop this where the brow starts to get full and kind of just trace along. And I only dip in once because that's all you need. A little goes a long way with this product. And I just really use like the tip. I don't go in with like the full brush because my brows are way too thin for that. So like I was saying before, like this side's a little messed up. So I'm just gonna go in with this little like face razor. I got these from Walmart. They're a great value brand. It was, I don't even know, I got like 4 in a pack and it was like under $5. So I just like to clean my brows up like this and just get rid of any little hair that just does not belong. I don't really pluck my brows anymore. I like doing this, even though I have to do it like every other day. It just takes like a minute to do. And I kind of like this because I can shape my brows nicely as well. And then I'll just brush it out with the spoolie one more time just to make sure they like look okay. These are my finished brows. It's like a 5-minute brow routine. Super quick, super easy. And that is it for this brow routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. If you're following me on all my social media and leaving comments on my videos, then you know that is a way you can be getting shout outs in my videos. If you just leave a video suggestion or just a nice comment, that can help you get a shout out. Or if you're following me on Twitter and you see retweet for a shout out, that is a way you can be getting a shout out in my videos. Or if you are just following me on Instagram and commenting on my pictures and stuff like that, that's another way you can get a shout out. So this week's shout out is right here. I thank you so much for all your love and support. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.